Okay, here we are. New battery fitted, AGM 80 ampere hour. The one was on the car was 70 ampere hour. Was actually the smaller battery. It's actually the wrong battery for this car here. When we looked it up, it failed the test, and I charged it. It went up, but I still recommend to get a new battery. So we fitted the new battery. I had to actually fix the bracket hole. It was all rusted, so I had to fix that hole there so I can move the bracket from 70 to 80. So different sizing, so that means the bracket have to move forward towards the left to make it bigger because the battery is bigger. So that's all done now. So I finished the programming already. The struts all done, new struts on the actual bonnet. So now if you look, so when you go up to about here, the bonnet is, it's not, bonnet can hold up by the struts. Let's open the actual front. Now I can close this. Okay, let's actually check the door lock. It's locked. There's no more beep. When you lock the car, there's no beep from the actual alarm system. Now I can open it. It's locked. Unlock. Okay, this car's fixed, door lock's fixed, battery, wiper rubbers, rear lid, sorry, the front lid struts, and I'm just waiting on the actual pollen filter. I've done the programming for the battery, is all done. Battery matching, it's cool. I'm waiting on the pollen filter. The outside one was very dirty, so I'm just waiting for it. So I'm gonna go for a road test to check a noise from the suspension from the left hand side rear. So I'm going to take the car for a road test now. The car's been running on idle at in the workshop for about 45 minutes. The engine light didn't come on, so it's nice and hot. So now I'm going to take it for a drive to make sure there's no more running rough. Spark plug and coils was done as well, and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.